Hi everyone, Steve Buchanan here, and welcome to my course, Azure Arc, Enable Kubernetes, Getting Started. I'm a cloud architect and container services lead with a Fortune 500 consulting firm. Many organizations today are choosing to adopt multi-cloud strategy, including running Kubernetes across multiple clouds. Managing Kubernetes clusters across on-premises and multiple clouds can be disjointed and overly complicated. Azure Arc Enable Kubernetes sets out to solve this by reducing the complexity and centralizing Kubernetes management utilizing native Azure tooling. In this course, you will learn how to manage Kubernetes clusters across on-premises and multiple clouds using Azure Arc and GitOps. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover include what is Azure Arc Enable Kubernetes and how to use it. You will also learn about the features of Azure Arc Enable Kubernetes and how to use them. And you're going to learn how to use Azure Arc Enable Kubernetes with GitOps to deploy configurations and applications. You will also see Azure Arc Enable Kubernetes in action through several demos throughout the course. By the end of this course, you will have the key knowledge needed to go ahead and get started with Azure Arc Enable Kubernetes. But before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the following topics: some general knowledge of Azure, Kubernetes, containers, Helm, infrastructure as code, multiple clouds such as AWS and GCP, as well as general DevOps and cloud native concepts. I hope you'll join me on this journey to get started with Azure Arc Enable Kubernetes in this course at Pluralsight.